She said a little bit more would actually help.
He just gets the hiccups a lot today. He never got the hiccups when he was in me. It's not funny. I'm sorry, Bubby. Oh, that one looked like it hurt. Videotaping it. I'm sorry. How do we get rid of baby hiccups?
She said give him a little bit more.
That's what caused it. Okay, we can try.